Molded grooves for sturdy stacking. 108 quarts capacity. Built-in pull grip. CNC machined aluminum flight track and pre-installed string dampeners make the Hyper Ghost 425 extremely quiet and accurate. Overall weight of 7.7 pounds and axle-to-axle width of 17.6 inches. Exterior dimensions: 37.187 inches by 18.00 inches by 14.375 inches. Interior dimensions: 29.75 inches by 13.5 inches by 12.875 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, worth the money. This is the third one that I've purchased. My teenage son recently passed, and we had already purchased him one for his room. It withheld several years of teenage boy use. Looks as good as new. I've ordered two since he passed to put all of his stuff in that I am not yet ready to part with. I know that these seal well and are sturdy, so they'll hold up well in storage, even when stacked. I don't have to worry that they are going to crack, crush, or leak. There are spots on the lid for running a padlock through if you so desire. I'll likely need more in the future and have considered ordering one for each of my other children to use like a footlocker. It's a great product and would highly recommend to anyone looking for something like this.